Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll take a look at the new PDF report option available in all modules of the Creaform Integrity Suite. A preview page of the full report is generated automatically in the viewer. You can scroll down to see the rest of the pages. Here's a good time to introduce the editing options for the report, available on the bottom right of the viewer. Focusing first on the cover page, notice how you're now able to choose either portrait or landscape mode for the page. You can also swap the logo of the header. Change the title. And even the snapshot displayed. The other pages are similar. For example, you can add a custom text entry, image, or snapshot directly from the 3D viewer of the session. Notice how it updates the preview automatically. Let me go ahead and import a new image to be displayed after the parameters tables. Once you're ready to save, click on the export icon at the bottom right of the page. Well, that just about wraps it up. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for upcoming videos.